Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Chemistry Sciences. Today we will talk about the definition of the electrochemistry and the main concepts in the electrochemistry. Electrochemistry is a branch of chemistry which study the electrochemical process. The study of electrochemical process is known as the electrochemistry. By the electrochemical process, we mean the interconversion of electrical and chemical energy. Electrical energy converts into chemical energy, whereas the chemical energy converts back to the electrical energy. This interconversion of electrical and chemical energy is known as the electrochemical process. Just for a soft reminder, we must recall that the electrical energy is due to the flow of electron or charges. Charges mean positive and negative ions. Whereas the chemical energy is the energy which hold atoms or molecules together. When we talk about the atoms, then we must know that atoms combine with each other by means of intramolecular forces. Intramolecular forces such as the ionic bond and the covalent bond. Whereas the molecules, they hold with each other in the presence of intermolecular forces. Intermolecular forces such as the dipole-dipole forces, hydrogen bonding or London dispersion forces. The conversion of these two kind of energies must involve some mechanism about which we will talk later. But for now, we must know that the conversion of these two energies are interrelated. This relation can be represented as a relation of the spontaneous and non-spontaneous process. Actually, the conversion of electrical energy into chemical energy is a result of a non-spontaneous process, whereas the conversion of the chemical energy back into the electrical energy is the result of a spontaneous process. Just as an example, we can say that when sodium combines with chlorine, it results in the formation of sodium chloride. Think about this process. In this process, electron is moving from sodium to chlorine. The movement of electron is the electrical energy, and this movement results due to the chemical energy. The chemicals combine spontaneously. The chemical combines spontaneously so as the movement of electron occurs. So this is the conversion of chemical energy into the electrical energy which happens spontaneously. On the other hand, when we want to break sodium chloride into its component such as sodium chloride goes to sodium plus chlorine, this phenomena doesn't happen spontaneously. The phenomena require energy, and the energy is provided in the form of the electrical energy. The electrical energy provided externally to this sodium chloride will convert sodium chloride into sodium and chlorine. So this process undergo in a special chamber which is known as cell. A cell is a chamber in which the conversion of electrical energy and chemical energy take place. And there are two kind of cells, just as two kind of processes. So for the non-spontaneous process, we need a cell which is actually known as electrolytic cell. Electrolytic cell. Whereas for the spontaneous process, we need a cell which is known as voltaic cell or the galvanic cell. Voltaic or galvanic cell. So these two kind of cells, they can be taken as the subtypes of the electrochemical cell. The electrochemical process occurs in the electrochemical cell, and the two type of the electrochemical process, that is the spontaneous process and the non-spontaneous process. The spontaneous process occur in the galvanic cell, whereas the non-spontaneous process occur in the electrolytic cell. So this is the definition of the electrochemistry and the main concepts in electrochemistry. Now we will talk about these two cells in detail in the upcoming videos. If you have any question or suggestion, let me know in the comment box. Allah Hafiz.